This video showcases KETCHAN's custom-designed conveyor-type induction brazing system for vehicle heat exchanger U-bend joints. The operator, assisted by a robotic arm, uses a handheld induction coil to heat and braze copper U-bends with precision and speed. You can clearly see the brazing alloy melting and flowing smoothly into the joint, ensuring a full and uniform bond. After cooling, each joint appears clean, bright, and perfectly filled, a result of our precise temperature control that guarantees 100% brazing depth and process consistency. KETCHAN induction systems enable automated, efficient, and repeatable brazing for the automotive and HVAC industries. You are welcome to visit our website or contact us at any time to inquire about process details and obtain customized welding solutions.